Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm just covering up Jasmy price prediction, and exactly it's again falling down. So I told you guys 170 is a golden pocket. Somehow if it reaches, I'm going to grab it Jasmy that time, because I grab a Jasmy almost around 1 cent. I sell almost around 3 cent. Now I'm going to grab the Jasmy again. So what exactly I'm looking right now in a Jasmy immediate short term and also a long term time frame and weekly time frame, and what exactly my price prediction for a weekly time frame and also 1 day time frame. So let's dive into the screen. First of all, look at this Jasmy. Japanese Bitcoin again going down right now. Look at this weekly time frame. It's literally going down and down. A lot of people thinking, where is the entry, where is the buying opportunity? Basically it's reaching almost around 194. First of all, it's going higher from this price point almost around to 14, and somehow if it bounce back in this area, because already dumped it. So Bitcoin just stable right now, all coin just literally pumping great. So I'm just fueling up more Jasmy, because this is a Japanese Bitcoin and literally giving a massive amount of profit. So those who play a short position, because I already told you guys I already play a short position almost around 4%, and I'm exit out almost around 250. So I'm just thinking that was my mistake slightly, but yeah, the profit is not that much huge. I'll just take a 2x leverage, so not that much big amount of money. I get it, but easy money, but not a financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal opinion, what exactly I'm looking right now in Jasmy. But in a 30-minute time frame, it looks good. It looks good, because when you get into more bigger time frame in Jasmy, look at this huge consolidation. It's ready to explode, and somehow it's falling down. So I'm ready for to buy the Jasmy. So I'm just filling a little bit quantity of Jasmy right now, almost around 20 or 30%. I'm just filling Jasmy right now, and the rest of the filling value, which is almost around 118, 170, 150. So these are my buying zone. If it touch it, so it fill my entries. If it eventually fall more down, then it fill my entry again. And the last entry almost around 150. Somehow if it reaches, that is good. If it not, so I already bought 20% right now. So this is crazy insane. The profit is profit no matter the whatever. But divide your portfolio is a better option. We're waiting for some kind of accumulation in just immediate short term, because or I never talk about a Bitcoin related information in my channel. You never make money from, Bitcoin, because it's giving almost around 2%, 30%. A lot of people, it's a safe haven. So those who take a risk, they're earning a huge, because the damage is huge. So profit is huge. So basically focus only one thing: who running the project and what exactly the team behind it. The development is goes on and on or not. So these are the thing, very important key feature to tracking their coin and also project. All right, so look at the 1 day time frame. It's giving some kind of downtrend to me, but still, I told you guys, because this one is a crazy resistance, almost on 200. So easily reach that level, because in a 45-minute time frame, it's a little consolidate. And look at this area, because you can see it's already bounced back from this area 170 or 194. That is the reason why I just bought a little bit slightly more Jasmy at this price point, because this is a fueling time for me to buying Jasmy at this price point. So when you look at over here in this area, because so many days it's consolidated, and look at this gigantic flash up, and it's stuck in the same position so long, no matter in a 1 day time frame and a 4 hourly time frame. Every single time it's pumping literally crazy. So this one is a consolidation area. I'm just looking right now. Jasmy is ready to explode. First of all, it should need to break this resistance almost around 0.0225. So it's already falling from the cliff. So the top edge of the Jasmy in a 1 day time frame, in a weekly time frame, and eventually the last past month time frame, which is almost around a 5 cent. So it's already dumped it more than a 50%. So every time is a golden opportunity. So I'm just thinking this coin is ready to explode it. So getting to the weekly time frame, yeah, literally a weekly time frame make a lot of people crazy. So they're thinking this coin is literally going more down eventually. This coin consolidated almost around 100 70 to almost around 125 in between. This is the fueling time. I'm just looking right now. But if it's somehow giving a flash up and reaching almost a 250 or eventually 3 cent, this is insane and crazy one. That is not a good time. I'm just looking right now. So fueling right now is a fabulous and fantastic. Bitcoin is just like stable form right now, and the Bitcoin price almost around 30,000 is a last and huge support. I'm just looking right now because it's similar like 2018, almost around 3,000 or the 40,000 is the last support. So similar support Bitcoin is just created right now. So ETF is incoming, and ETF just playing giving opportunity to the hedge fund company. They can play a long short position, so they're just trying to accumulate the Bitcoin, because previously they hold billions of dollars of Bitcoin in their wallet, so just trying to accumulate. So they liquidate every single person. He's still in a bear market right now. We need to grab every single token, those who have a very massive amount of use case and potential, so these tokens will just explode like crazy. We are at the bottom right now. A lot of people just thinking this is not a bear market, we're waiting for $29,000 Bitcoin, then I'm going to grab altcoin. This is crazy and insane. It's already at the bottom. We are at the edge support right now. We're waiting for some cooldown. So somehow, if the project is literally pumping and dumping crazy, so think about it. So Jasmy proved that the partnership literally pumping crazy. Not just only the investor buying it, and also the big companies, those who did a lot of partnership with the Jasmy, they already bought it. They pumped this coin. So there is a two factor. The first one is just pumping this coin so everyone can see what exactly is it. So this is an advertisement, just like but if the team member is fabulous, so Japanese recently regulate a little bit the digital currency. So the Japanese really know that future of digital currency, they're just trying to capture a huge amount of tax from these transactions. So this company is a fabulous and fantastic, because this company dealing with the AI technology and having some kind of baseball stadium, crazy, just similar. They're just following of you know the footprint of the CRO FTX. They already bought a UFC arena, and the other one is some kind of different arena. They bought it. So this is crazy. The Japanese one is just buying arena in Japan. They're showing this is the caliber, like this is the thing. It's going to the moon. I really love it. The team member and board of director of the Jasmy is fabulous, because their experience is massive and gigantic. In the previously, the government is not accepting the digital one. Now they're accepting. Everyone accepting right now. Eventually, the Ukraine, they're forming their own digital currency. And if you look at the China also creating own digital currency. So they just want to tracking the each and every single transaction. They want to just collect some taxes. So they're not get back in the older era where some kind of older technology and older stuff is going on. But we are in the 21st century. The medical sector is booming right now, and we're looking at a medical sector coin, which is Doge Elon. I really love that coin. So his work on the medical sector. So there's a big giant and players playing a major role. So Elon Musk, Neuralink and Doge Elon connection is very, very huge. I really love it. So I love this type of project. So Japanese project is fabulous right now. So now we have some takeover, because recently a lot of Japanese project listed on Coinbase. So this is a good sign for a Japanese project. They're just really pumping crazy. Jasmy is also one of them. All right, guys. So this is all about Jasmy related information. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to smash subscribe and do some comment for YouTube algorithm, and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.